Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We've got another unboxing. Today we are looking at the ASUS C425T Chromebook. This is on loan from ASUS, by the way. We'll be sending this back to them when we're done. And I love Chromebooks because they're getting a lot more useful. You can run Linux on them and everything. You can do a lot of different stuff now with the Chromebook beyond just the web browser. This one has an Intel processor inside. I should have read off the specs here before I got into the box. So on here we've got a Intel Core M3 processor, a 64 gig eMMC solid state drive, and then it's got 8 gigs of RAM. The RAM is not upgradable. Typically these Chromebooks are a take it or leave it kind of affair. You get what you get. So this is the unit itself, and let's open it up and see what it looks like. Pretty nice display. This is a 14-inch Chromebook. It has a pretty nice hinge on it here, but it doesn't wrap around like their Chromebook Flip does. I think the keyboard is backlit also. Let me see if it's got any juice in the tank here. We'll load it up. It looks like the battery might be dead, so we'll put some charging on this when we get it going. We're going to have a full review of this soon, by the way, on the main channel at lon.tv. And on the side here, we've got a USB Type-C port. I'm pretty sure this is a full-service port, so you can get data, power, and video in there, so we'll check that out in the full review. You've got a USB 3 port here, a headphone jack there, and on the other side we've got a micro SD card slot to augment that 64 gigs of storage and another USB-C port. This in some ways reminds me of the layout of the Chromebook Flip, which is a pretty useful Chromebook. This one, though, has the Intel processor, so we'll be able to do more with Linux on this versus the other one. And I'll talk about that when we get into the full review, which, again, you can see at lon.tv. So let's see what else is in the box here. It looks like just a little cardboard riser on that side. And then let's take a look at the power cord. And it is a USB-C power cord, so it's likely those USB-C ports will be full service there. This is, in case you're curious, probably a 60-watt adapter. It is, yeah, I think it's about a 60-watt adapter. I'll double check on that, but that's usually what you get with these. And then I've got the US power cord to go with that. So I'm going to charge this up and get it some juice. And what we'll be doing soon on the main channel is a full review of this, so you can see what this Chromebook is all about. So stay tuned, more to come on this.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Rajesh, Logic GR, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.